Good morning to one and all present out here. Today, we the students of class 7th P extend a heartfelt and dignified welcome to each one of you as we proudly present our annual presentation on the compelling theme, the role of media. Today, we invite you to accompany us on an enlightening odyssey throughout an ever-evolving spaces of journalism, digital platforms, and storytelling domains that shape, reflect, and redefine our society.
In this exploration, we will uncover how each narrative, whether broadcasted, published, and streamed, not only informs and influences, but also profoundly contributes to the shaping of our collective awareness and civic understanding. To breathe life into this theme and make it more engaging, we have thoughtfully curated an informative skit that mirrors real-world media dynamics, followed by a stimulating group discussion where we shall delve deeper into its impacts, responsibilities and relevance in today's world. So ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself as we embark this captivating and thought-provoking journey. Let the annual presentation begin.
So now I request you all to stand up, close your eyes, join your hands and get ready for the prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head
Head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into pieces. Where the words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into that ever-widening thought and action. Into a heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Thank.
A positive thought is so powerful that it pulls out your current mindset. I would like to call Dhanya for the thought of the day.
Media is the silent teacher, the powerful messenger, and the invisible influencer. It can either shape minds with truth or mislead them with noise. Choose what you consume, for what you read today becomes what you think tomorrow. I repeat my thought. Media is the silent teacher, the powerful messenger, and the invisible influencer. It can either shape minds with truth or mislead them with noise. Choose what you consume, for what you read today becomes what you think tomorrow. Thank you.
Today, we are stepping into the world of media, a world that never sleeps. From breaking news alerts to viral reads and thought-provoking headlines from trending hashtags, media surrounds us, influences us and guides how we think, act and respond. But do we truly understand its impact? In this group discussion, we'll explore many roles media plays in society and why media literacy is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Now the students of our class are going to present a group discussion on the topic media literacy.
Let's begin by understanding what is media. It's not just news or social media, it's our every way we receive, share and respond to information in our daily lives.
The word media refers to the different ways through which we communicate in society. It includes everything from newspaper, TV, radio to the internet and even phone calls. It is called mass media when it reaches a large number of people at once, like TV news or popular websites.
Media comes in many forms: newspapers, televisions, online platforms, radios, podcasts, and social media apps. Each has its own way of delivering messages. Traditional media like newspapers are often slower but verified, while digital media is fast and interactive. Today, most of us consume media on our phones, which gives us access to global information instantly.
Technology has completely transformed how we consume media. Earlier we waited for the morning paper or evening news. Now updates are instant available 24/7 on our phones. Anyone can create content, go live or share their opinion with the world. While it is empowering, it also increases the spread of fake news. Technology means we must be even more careful about what we believe, read or share. With great access comes great responsibility. Media plays a central role in shaping society. It informs people what's happening locally and globally. It highlights problems, spreads awareness, and reflects cultural value. Whether it's breaking news, documentaries, or discussion, media helps shape public opinion. A responsible media gives a voice to the voiceless and brings attention to the social issues. It acts as a bridge between the people and those in power, helping build an informed, active, and aware society.
Media can be a powerful force for good. It spreads awareness, educates the public, and gives voice to those who are often unheard. During a disaster, media helps people stay safe. In a democracy, it keeps leaders accountable. It can bring stories from the remote corners of the world to our homes. If used ethically, media has the power to unite, inspire, and create real social change.
Media can be a great teacher. It brings learning alive through educational videos, news channel, documentaries and podcasts. It helps us stay informed about the world. Students can now access free tutorials for science experiments and learn current affairs through media. Campaigns like Digital India also promote digital classroom.
In the times of crisis like natural disaster, pandemics or emergencies, media plays a life-saving role. It informs people about safety measures and provides real-time updates. It also showed how dangerous misinformation can be. So in any crisis, reliable media becomes essential, not just for calm but also for coordination and community support.
When the government prevents the media for publishing certain stories, it's called
Many media reports are one-sided. Two newspapers may show the same story in very different ways. A balanced report presents all views and lets the reader decide. As readers, we should always ask whose voice is missing from this story.
Social media connects people and gives everyone a voice, but it can also mislead viral posts, trending hashtags, and clickbait videos. People form opinion based on short clips or memes. That's why it's important to pause. Think, is this real? Is this fair? Who is behind this message? Media literacy teaches us to question, not just consume.
Media literacy means being able to read between the lines. It is the skill of understanding how media messages are created and how they can influence us. It's about checking sources, identifying bias, and asking critical questions. In some countries like Finland, students are taught to fact check from a young age. It's time we do the same because a well-informed mind is a strong defense.
Media doesn't just inform, it affects how we feel. Constant exposure to negativity can cause stress or anxiety. Seeing perfect lives on social media can affect our self-esteem. We need to remember that what we see online is often filtered and edited. Media literacy isn't just about facts, it's also protecting our emotional well-being. Local media like community radio or regional newspaper gives a voice to farmers, shopkeepers and small communities. Similarly, public-funded media aims to inform citizens without being influenced by private advertisements or political bias. Both types of media are important because they focus on real-life issues that often go unnoticed in national headlines. Supporting them, similarly, public-funded media aims to inform citizens without being influenced by private advertisements or political bias.
Media also shapes how we see different people, whether it's women, children, or minorities. It can either break stereotypes or reinforce them. We must look at how fairly and respectfully different groups are shown in the news and entertainment.
As young people, we are not just media consumers, we are also creators. We shouldn't just watch, we should think. Media gives us one part of the world. What about the rest? Every video we post and every forward we send add to the information cycle that gives us responsibility. Let's use our voice not to spread fear or gossip, but to share truth, kindness and knowledge. We must be responsible digital citizens.
The good news is change is possible. School can teach media literacy, families can talk about the news, and all of us can be more mindful of what we read and share. The more we caution, the stronger our society becomes. Let's not fear media, let's learn to use it wisely.
Media is powerful. It can divide or unite, mislead or enlighten.
Media is not just what we see, it shapes what we believe. In a world of overflowing with information, the real power lies in choosing wisely, questioning deeply, and sharing responsibility. Let us not be passive consumers, but active aware citizens, because the truth does not always speak. Sometimes we have to listen for it. Thank you.
Home is a way to point with words, to speak to the heart when the voice is paused, and to capture what is felt more than seen. Now the students of our class are going to recite an English poem.
Media is a window wide, where news and stories gently glide. A voice that travels near and far, bringing us to worlds where wonders are. It speaks of truth, of hopes and fears, of laughter, struggles, dreams and tears. But choose with care what you let in, for words can heal or words can spin.
It shapes the thought, it stirs the soul. It treads shows that makes us whole. But in its clear, be still be wise. Though, let media be the voice of peace, where hatred fades and conflict cease. Let it unite, let kindness flow, and build a world we wish to know. Thank you.
Feel the rhythm in your heartbeat. Let the melody flow from your soul and paint the air with the colors of our Hindi song performance by Bhuvika.
मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय को ये चढ़ाए लाए रंग महल आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन लाए रंग महल आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो बड़ा है ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है थैंक यू
Now, the students of our class are going to present a skit that explores a powerful theme, the role of media. Today, we bring to you a skit titled Voices of Media Echoes Through Society. In a world flooded with information, media is everywhere, from breaking news on the TV to trending posts on social media, from the comforting voice on the radio to sharp insights of a newspaper. Media is a plural of medium or multiple medium. It is the vehicle for a message. This performance takes you on a journey through different voices of media, how they inform, influence and impact our life. Let's tune in, think critically and enjoy the show. Scene 1. What is media anyway? In this first scene, we meet many voices of media, news anchors, radio hosts, influencers, and
traditional journalists, each sharing how they spread information. All media characters move around quickly, talking over each other, creating a sense of chaos. News anchor speaking loudly and clearly.
Breaking news, everyone! Today's big stories are discovery, a surprise announcement and weather updates. Stay tuned for details that will change your life.
Dramatic pause, serious face. Social media influencer taking selfies, very excited.
OMG guys, you won't believe what just happened. This is amazing. Double tap if you agree and don't forget to follow me for more awesome content.
Radio DJ popping to invisible music. Good morning, listeners. You're tuned into Cool Vibes Radio, where we play your favorite tunes and talk about what matters to you. Traditional journalists scribbling in notebook looking concerned.
According to my sources, there's an important story not getting attention. I need to investigate this further before publishing.
Audience members looking confused, speaking over each other.
So much information. What's true? What's fake? How do we know what to believe?
Scratch heads look at each other.
Scene 2. Power and responsibility. Now we will see how media holds the power to inform but also to mislead. These characters reflect on the responsibilities that come with creating and sharing content. News anchor, passionately with hand on heart.
We want to be first with breaking news, but sometimes we make mistakes by rushing. Maybe we should slow down and get it right.
Mind's taking watch, then stops. Citizen journalist holds up smartphone.
I saw the children cleaning up the riverbank and streamed it live. But no big news company did it. But wait, did I get all the facts right?
Looks weird. Tech reviewer, playing with gadgets.
Today's phones and computers let everyone share news instantly. That's amazing, but dangerous too. One click and wrong information reaches millions.
Entertainment blogger, excitedly.
And I help people relax and enjoy celebrity news. Not everything has to be serious.
Twirl sharply. Audience member, senior citizen.
News used to feel slower but surer. Now I feel overwhelmed.
Scene 4. Fake versus fact. Spot the difference. Next up, a fun yet important moment. Learning how to tell real news from fake. Watch how different characters, including a fact checker and a meme creator, tackle misinformation. Radio DJ.
Hey listeners, real or fake? A soft drink brand is banned nationwide starting tomorrow.
Audience gasp. Hey, is that true? Fact checker.
No, that's fake. The image is old and the story was never confirmed. In Finland, students learn to check the source, date and whether other sites report same story. We should too.
Meme creator.
My memes are jokes, but now I add disclaimers so that people don't confuse them for facts.
Homemaker.
I once shared a health tip without checking. Now I pause and verify before forwarding.
Scene 4. Solutions. Media that serves the people. In this scene, we look at ways to improve media with fairness, transparency and support from all of us. The characters offer smart solution. Student.
I used to believe anything trending online. Now I always ask who posted this, is it a real source?
Homemaker.
I wait, search and only share what I'm sure of. Think before you forward.
Working professional. Working professional. Tech-savvy youth.
I use fact-checking tools. The internet gave us tools. Let's use them.
Farmer.
I confirm news with local officer or radio. We can't act on half-truth.
Senior citizen.
I ask my grandchildren to help check the news before I worry. We learn from each other. Media doesn't shape us, we shape it too.
Student and homemaker.
In a world full of stories, let's choose the truth and share it wisely.
We are the media, the makers, bloggers, DJs, critics, and you. We are the listeners, the sharers, the guiders, the watchers. In a world full of noise, let's be our voice.
Thank you.
Now we get ready for a whirlwind of excitement and joy. Dakshita Dhanya and Drishti are going to give a spectacular English song performance.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions, take the fear now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it's around us, every nation, all around us, singing forever young. Singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a wave. When I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a wave. Flag, so wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you.
Our next presentation is a Hindi poem that beautifully captures the essence of media and its powerful voice. Let's welcome as some students of our class are going to recite this inspiring piece.
मीडिया है ज्ञान की धारा, जग को दे संदेश हमारा, सूचना से जोड़े दिल को, लाए बदलाव सही राहों को। रेडियो की मीठी बोली, टीवी पर शिक्षा की झोली, अखबार
कोई अभियान, मीडिया बने सच्चा साथी महान, स्वास्थ्य विज्ञान या शिक्षा की बात, मीडिया फैलाए जागरूकता की सौगात, हर खबर में हो सत्य की रोशनी, बने मीडिया की रोशनी। जब जनता जागरूक हो जाए, भ्रम और अफवाहें दूर हट जाएं।
मीडिया हो विश्वास का दर्पण, सच्चाई का करे सचिव चित्रण, हम भी बने जागरूक पाठक, सोचे और समझे बने सहायक।
Thank you. Dance has been used as a form of worship and celebration since ancient times. Many cultures worldwide use dance to express their faith and connect with their spiritual roots. As we witness the praise dancers, graceful movements and vibrant colors, let's take a moment to reflect on the beauty and diversity of God's creation through a Kathak dance. Arnav Bishnoi of our class is going to give an instrumental performance. Now get ready for an amazing group dance.
चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी, थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी। चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी, थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े आगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ पर क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ पर क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ पर क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे करने जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हमसे बड़े गुरुवारे, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हम मत वाले। जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े गुरुवारे, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हम मत वाले। जिंदगी हो के रोना नहीं, किसी को रोना नहीं, हो के रोना